Hello, my technical friends. We are in TestOut Linux Pro 2.9.8 and we are going to move files. Alright, so the lab is loaded and we'll just go straight into the terminal and we'll start up terminal. So let's bring this to the middle so that you see what I'm doing clearly. Type in su space dash, press enter, and you'll be prompted to input the password, and then let's input let's input the password provided, then you press enter. So this is the password provided here, so you can just type it in. Don't worry, when you type it in, it's not going to show on the screen, so don't worry, just continue typing. Alright, so root. Okay, so for this is going to be cd space / home / then you press enter. I'm gonna type in mv space config _ space / bcassini. Alright, so let's just type it out. mv space config _ wh and / bcassini. Then you press enter. Okay, so we just copy and paste, and then we'll edit this instead of typing everything out. So there's gonna be project plan. Yeah, so we delete the config there. Yeah, that is it. Go ahead and press enter. So go ahead and press ls space -l, press enter, and let's see what we have. ls -l B Cassini. We press enter, and let's see what we have. Alright, so we'll go ahead and Scholar. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. If you need inside aspects on how to solve any TestOut lab at all, you may want to consider joining my professional membership. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.